Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another interesting topic. Actually, when you are completing your graduation or post-graduation or PhD, then you need to complete some thesis work or project work. So for that you need to create some paper, okay, or thesis paper or journal paper or your project paper. So for that they have many types of format, okay. From different professor you will get different format, okay, and their requirement is also different. In my BSc level I have just completed 2 theses at a time, okay. So I'll just share my experience with you from A to Z. And before starting a thesis work, what you have to do, from where you will get your thesis paper, the reference paper. Suppose you have find this topic, now you want to work with that topic. Before that you have to read minimum 10 to 20 papers or thesis paper or journal papers about that topic to get proper understanding, okay. So here if I show you, this is my first thesis topic, pushover analysis of different shape of symmetric and asymmetric reinforced concrete building. This is Hedaetullah. And my another thesis topic is climatic modeling of rainfall and temperature of southeast part of Bangladesh by using a statistical downscaling model. So already I have created some video about that statistical downscaling model, and also as I am using pushover analysis, that's why also I have created some pushover analysis video by using eTapes. That video are also available in our channel, so if you can watch that. So now in that tutorial series I will just show that how we'll create that format. Just if we go down, how we'll create that content of table. Suppose if you create some table and if you create it manually, then when you will change something from the body of your thesis, then you have to change it manually. But I'm able to change that automatically when I will change my thesis topic, my here list of figure, then list of table or abbreviation, anything. If I change anything, that it will change automatically, okay. It will change automatically with my data. So that's why you just need to understand about that format, okay. And before starting, just you need a fixed format, because suppose here if I show you, suppose this is our heading, this is our heading 1, this is our heading 2, okay, or subheading, this is our another subheading, like that. But when you will create heading here, then they will take automatically, okay, that the font size or text size here, text size, and the text style here, the numbering, everything they will take automatically. So and in that side border, or the page layout, everything here, page number. So before starting work, just you have to maintain a legal process, okay. You have to maintain a legal process so that you can change anything when you require. Suppose you have write a thesis paper, now you want to submit that paper for a university or for a journal, but they have some different requirement than your paper. Then what you will do? You will change everything again? No need to change everything again. Just you have to change your format, okay, within 1 or 2 minutes, then it will be okay. So I'm just going to show you about that process in my whole tutorial series. So I think you will stay with me and you'll give me the opportunity to share my experience in my graduation levels thesis and project work, okay. So if I delete that, close, and here is my another, and also this is my another thesis topic, okay. So just see here, everything is here, how we'll give the figure number, and at which procedure you can give the figure number, and how we'll give the table, the sample of table, okay, or content of table, or caption of table. I will just give you that. So I will show you everything in this tutorial series. So as this is an introductory thesis, and how we'll take your data here, okay, and how we'll change your all of data. So I'll just show you about that, right? Everything I will show you about that thesis series, thesis tutorial series. So thank you very much, and I think you will stay with us and you will learn something different. Okay, actually before every work it's better to learn everything. Then how we'll use different page number. If you see here in top, I have just used two types of, if you see here I have used Roman number, and here number is different, right? Here number is different. So how I have just done it, I will teach you everything in the tutorial series. So stay connected till next video, and from next video I will just start one by one, and I will try to cover everything about thesis and project related topic. So thank you very much, and if you think that is helpful for you and that will be helpful for you, then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon, and must leave a comment, okay, at which level you are. And actually I am not from so upper level. I am already I have completed my BSc degree, okay. That's why BSc in engineering, civil engineering, and by seeing my channel name you know that already have completed that. But if you think that you can take something from me, or if you think that no, you need some upper suggestion, then you will go for another person. They have no problem here actually, but I'm just giving you my introduction because I'm already completed my BSc degree. I'm not from MSc or PhD holder, but I have wish, and I am very willing to go for MSc or PhD in my future, inshallah. And obviously I just want to go in teaching profession in future, and that is my goal, and I just want to teach. That's why I teach in online, everyone, absolutely free. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.